All the bloodshed, deaths, and tragedy over the centuries have shown us that nonviolence is the only alternative to resolve differences. While show of force may sometimes be a deterrent for a short period of time, real and lasting peace can only be derived from nonviolence. Nonviolence, however, cannot be mistaken for pacifism, inaction, or compliance. It requires carefully devised strategies and plan of action implemented through twice as much passion, dedication, and hard work. We are ANEC, and that's what we do. We promote peace and nonviolence. We are a small Tibetan NGO based in Dharamshala, the capital of the exiled Tibetan diaspora. It was founded in the year 2007 by Rabbi Everett Gendler, Dr. Mary Gendler, and the late Thempa Samkar, a lifelong servant of the institution. At Active Nonviolence Education Centre, we provide educational training based on the principles of nonviolence and peace to people across all age groups and social structures. We try to educate and engage stakeholders by developing outreach strategies, educational programs, and by publishing resources to aid grassroots understanding and application of nonviolence. If you want to know more about ANEC, engage with us through our website at www.anec-india.net and our social media handles.